The user John here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Jordan 11 golf shoe. That's right, we're looking at a golf shoe. I'm going to go ahead and say it, I'm not a golfer by any means. Miniature golf and the driving range is the extent of my golf skills, and even then I'm washed. The shoe is heavily influenced by the Nike Air Jordan 11 Concord Low. And from afar, the shoe looks identical to an Air Jordan 11 Concord, but there are differences that help acclimate this to a golfing environment. For starters, the upper is composed of leather. Typically we see a mesh upper, but they opted to go with white leather. I would assume that a leather upper would be a more durable and provide more stability. Also worth noting that a tag is attached to one of the shoes and states that the leather is waterproof. The lace holders have the appearance of mesh, but like the rest of the upper, it is leather. They just gave it some texture to give it a mesh-like appearance. Laces are rope, but they're not as thick as their basketball counterpart. You'll also find the Jumpman Jordan branding, but you'll notice that the Jumpman isn't given the Concord color hit and is instead just done in white. A big identifying factor for a Jordan 11 is the patent leather, and while this shoe does have it, it just feels and looks different. The shine, while there, just seems muted, and when touching it, the leather feels soft and very squishy, which is opposite of what you'll find on a regular Jordan 11. I'm not sure if they used a different cut of leather than what we're used to, or maybe they just used a thinner cut. It's just hard to describe, and I'm sure the camera isn't fully capturing what I'm trying to describe, but if you see this in person, you'll just know that it just seems different. When looking at the bottom, you'll notice that this model is missing the infamous carbon fiber plate. It just looks odd to see a white space in place of where we would typically find the carbon fiber. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this has Nike Air within the midsole, but I do know that it is equipped with Nike React, which is currently Nike's newest cushioning technology. The React technology can be identified by the green portions of the outsole. Now, since this is a golf shoe, we do find cleats attached onto the outsole. I'm going to assume that these can be taken out, as I notice holes on each cleat, so if you need to replace them or you want to switch them out with something else, you should be able to. To round it out, you'll find the Jumpman stitched onto the heel with the 23 screen printed in black, and on the inside of the tongue, you'll find a nice little twist as it'll read "Quality Golf Products inspired by the greatest player ever." I think that this is a great product for golfers who want that little extra flex to their game. If I was an avid golfer, I'd be rocking these out to the course. I mean, who knows, maybe I'll take these to Boomers and do it to them for a round of miniature golf. That pretty much wraps up my thoughts on the shoe. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.